Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta with sauce only easy method. Start by bringing 4 quarts salted water to a rolling boil and heat your sauce in a wide pan. Add pasta to boiling water and stir often, then reserve 1 cup of pasta water before draining. Finish in the sauce, tossing pasta with a splash of pasta water, a knob of butter, and grated cheese for a silky finish. Keep it simple: good pasta, tasty sauce, and pasta water magic. Heat the sauce gently with olive oil and garlic if using, and salt to taste. Cook pasta to al dente per package, then transfer straight to the simmering sauce with a half cup of reserved pasta water. Toss until the sauce clings, adjust seasoning with salt and pepper, and finish with fresh herbs or cheese before serving for family meals. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like, it really helps. On another note, Little Tree's black ice keeps your car smelling great after grocery trips and pasta sauce spills, and it lasts through long drives. I use it to remind me of fresh kitchens and summer notes. Check the description for the link and other deals. Enjoy cooking. Now let's get back to the video. Timing controls texture, so taste pasta 2 minutes before minimum time. Reserve pasta water for loosening sauce and emulsifying with fat like butter or oil. Lower heat and toss pasta in sauce for 1 to 2 minutes until it coats evenly, adding more water to reach desired consistency. Rest briefly off heat so sauce settles, then always serve immediately with cheese and a grind of pepper for the best bite.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.